Hi folks, welcome to Chile, Yorkshire. Following on from the thread about drills, etc., I thought, well, why not? I'll give you a quick tour of what we've got. Log store there. We go into boiler room, solar, oil boiler, and then into the workshop. We're about 40 by 20, I guess, something like that. 2 RVs in production here. Built the place 8 years ago, and it was great. We could just start afresh. Little canteen area, beer fridge, of course, quite empty. Down this side, pretty standard EAA bench, tons of storage underneath. Racking on the wall, moving on down, more storage. Use every last bit of wall space that you can for storage. There was the little drill thing that I was talking about, and all the dimple dies and sets, etc. These are super useful little storage boxes. That's a Fobco pillar drill, old British thing. Onto metalworking area, and Myford lathe. Hot working facilities there. They can get dragged out. Paint, I've got an extract fan jams under the roller shutter door. That's super simple. And if I want to turn this end of the shop into a paint shop, I just drag these blue tarpaulins down, and that chops off about 1/4 of the shop. If I want to do more, I just hang more up onto these vine eyes that are screwed in, and I've got more tarps that run across there, and the tarps just drape over the bench like that. And I can paint in here. Painted our RV7 in here some years ago. Anyway, we're on with 2 RV12s now. They're getting on quite well. Motors are hung, and they should fly this year. RV12 bench, really, really useful. I would recommend everybody to build one of those. TIG welding, paint, storage, paperwork, rivets, nuts and bolts, old racing motorcycle, oh, dog, wife, dog. That's about it. Enjoy.